Psychological concepts and theories have played a significant role in shaping historical events throughout time. Authors have analyzed and documented the impact of these concepts on the actions and decisions of individuals and societies. One well-known example is the concept of cognitive dissonance, discussed by psychologist Leon Festinger. Festinger's theory helps explain why people often resist changing their beliefs, even when confronted with contradictory evidence. This concept can shed light on historical events such as the Salem witch trials, where groupthink and confirmation bias influenced the persecution of innocent individuals. Another influential concept is learned helplessness, studied by psychologist Martin Seligman. Seligman's research explores how repeated exposure to inescapable negative situations can lead to a sense of powerlessness and resignation. This concept can be applied to historical events such as the Holocaust, where victims' spirits were broken through ongoing persecution. Psychologist Stanley Milgram's obedience experiment brings attention to the role of authority figures in shaping behavior. This concept helps explain instances of blind obedience and atrocities in history, such as the atrocities committed during the Nazi regime. Social psychologist Philip Zimbardo's Stanford Prison Experiment provides insight into how situational factors can influence individuals' behavior. This experiment highlights how the roles assigned in a simulated prison environment led to the abuse of power. Erving Goffman's theory of dramaturgy examines how individuals use different front stage and backstage behaviors to shape impressions. This theory can be applied to historical events such as political speeches and propaganda, where leaders strategically present themselves to manipulate public perception. Psychologist Carl Jung's theory of collective unconscious explores how shared cultural symbols and archetypes influence human behavior. This theory can be seen in historical events such as the rise of nationalism and the influence of propaganda in shaping public opinion. The psychoanalytic theories of Sigmund Freud give insight into the motivations and subconscious desires that drive individuals' actions. Freud's theories can be applied to historical events such as wars and political conflicts, where hidden desires for power and dominance come into play. These authors and their psychological concepts have provided valuable perspectives on the influence of psychology on historical events.